Good afternoon, I'm Jim Wright and I am here on River Road in the upper Nantahala River section. This section of the river is usually dewatered and kayakers come from around the world to run two parts. The Cascades, which is a harder section, and then below it is the upper Nantahala. Miles below it is the regular Nantahala, which draws worldwide visitors year after year. Today is the 4th of July. So I thought I'd take a drive up River Road and see what the river looks like. As you can see, throughout this video, there will be waterfalls upon waterfalls upon waterfalls. So enjoy this episode of North Carolina Waterfalls as I am on the Nantahala River.
Today we're going to see 4 waterfalls that are all within a 1-mile drive, and all are roadside with very easy hikes. This is a great place to cool off on a hot summer day or watch kayakers go down these waterfalls on scheduled release days, which occur in April and September and some days in the summer. To get to our first waterfall, called Big Kahuna, we will drive up Waya Road from the intersection with US 19 for 3.7 miles. On the way, you will see the put-in for the Nantahala River on the left, parts of the Duke Electric Generation, the upper Nantahala section, and the Cascades section. During non-release days, you will see a bunch of people fishing, as these are great trout waters. Big Kahuna Waterfall has a few spots for parking next to it on the right and a viewing deck. It is a 20-foot stair-step waterfall with many different paths and parts to it. During release days, parking will be next to impossible, so I would suggest just doing a drive-by viewing or parking further upstream and walking down. There is no cell service here, so plan ahead. Here are some pictures of Big Kahuna from the viewing deck. Once you have finished here, you can go up the road 0.2 miles, and on the right will be the Horns of God waterfall. This is the put-in. This begins the Cascades section of the Nantahala River. This 15-foot sluice waterfall in low water is very cool because it has a huge rock wall that is covered when they release, which makes this a very intense waterfall to kayak down. All of these waterfalls are great to hike near, but be careful because serious injury or death could occur when hiking near or on waterfalls. Exercise great caution, wear the appropriate footwear, and play it safe when doing these kinds of activities. When you're done, leave Horns of God and keep going up Waya Road, and in about 0.3 miles turn right onto Old River Road. Cross the bridge over White Oak Creek and park on the right. White Oak Creek Falls will be on the left from the bridge. Hike on the left side of the creek looking at the waterfall. White Oak Creek Falls is a stunning 25-foot side-sliding waterfall. After this drive another 0.2 miles and you will see our final waterfall. I don't know the name of it, but it's another similar step slide 10 to 20 foot tall waterfall that has rocky outcrops that shares the character with the other falls.
So if you need to look for a waterfall fix in the Nantahala Gorge area, this section above the regular Nantahala put-in is a great place to see 4 or 5 waterfalls. And then just the drive up, this 4.5 mile drive up to this spot is absolutely amazing. So come on by, check it out, and see what the wonderful Nantahala Gorge has to offer in North Carolina. See y'all later. Bye.